Hi everyone, did you know that Malaysia ranks second highest in Asia for youth cyberbullying? But the tragic statistic isn't a number of incidents, it's a number of students who suffer in silence. Imagine a typical Malaysian student, they receive a threat online. They want to report it, but they are scared. They don't know the exact steps. They worry about getting in trouble or making things worse, so they freeze. Their fears turns a digital problem into a real life, painful isolation. The problem is not a lack of resources, but a lack of accessible, confidential, and actionable guidance.
Here, we introduce digital bodies. The first, Computer Germany Support Application, built by Malaysia students, from Malaysia students. We turn computer into career. Digital bodies has two career innovation, driven by creative military bands. The animation flowchart instead of a static page. Our apps use a simple animation. Decision 3. You answer a question online or in person. Do you have a screenshot? And the buddies instead give you the correct location, step 1, step 2, and step 3. It gives students a plan when their mate is racing.
The empathy game. We tackle the root cause. The mini game uses motion graphics to show the anonymous perpetrator the real-time emotional impact of their comments on a character's well-being matter. We use multimedia to foster true digital empathy. This is not an app, it's a digital companion that gives students the confidence to break silence.
The Digital Buddy is a confidential gamified mobile app prototype that empowers Malaysian youth to stop cyberbullying. It transforms confused victims and bystanders into confident upstanders by providing instant, actionable steps. Our goal is simple: reduce the silence and confusion surrounding cyberbullying. We use multimedia, localization Malaysia context, and games to overcome the fear and isolation that stops students from reporting harm. The app is divided into 3 easy-to-use modules. Action module: what do I do now for immediate help? This module gives clear directions when bullying strikes, animated flowchart, an interactive guide that walks you through every step. For example, take a screenshot, block the user based on your answers. Trusted Adult Script generates a short, simple script to help you to start a difficult conversation with a parent or teacher. Resource Directory provides instant direct call buttons to verify local Malaysian help like Talian Cafe 15999. Education module: the Digital Citizen for prevention and empathy. This module teaches students how to be safe and empathetic online. Empathy mini game, an interactive scenario that uses visuals and audio to show the real-time emotional pain caused by mean comments. Digital Footprint Visualizer, simple animations that demonstrate how posts and comments create a permanent public record. And the last one, self-care module for recharge. How to coping. This module offers immediate emotional support. For examples, breathing visualizer, a calming guided animation to help users manage panic and anxiety immediately after an incident. Positive affirmations display supportive localized messages to rebuild self-worth and resilience.
Modern solutions like school poster or hotline are often enough. Digital buddy works because it meets the students while they on their phones and speaks to them in a language they understand, utilizing confidentiality and gamification. Our project uniquely integrate Malaysia resourcing, offering immediate direct links to Talian Kasih 15999 MCMC reporting channel, removing barriers to seeking formal helps. In our pilot testing with 50 students, 85% said that will use digital buddy over traditional methods because it enables and the steps are clear. This innovation is ready for development.
We are a passionate team of young innovators ready to use our multimedia and technology skill to tackle this national issue. We have the design, the prototype, and the community validation. Now we need to scale. Our ask is simple. We are seeking mentorship and strategic connection within the Malaysian Ministry of Education and local NGOs. We need your expertise to refine our data security and successfully deploy the digital buddy. Pilot 2,000 students across Negeri Sembilan next year. Help us move from being the country with high cyberbullying rates to being the country that provides every student with a digital buddy to fight back. Thank you.